Chab Dai Coalition is a network of 40 Christian organisations here in Cambodia who are looking to address issues of sexual exploitation and trafficking. Chab Dai began as a learning community to bring organisations together so that we could learn from one another's practice, so that we could look at what are the global standards in protecting and healing children, so that we could come together and support one another more effectively in addressing this issue here in Cambodia. Collaboration is critical if we're going to see change on a large scale, not just in Cambodia but in the region and globally. We need to come together to share human resources, to share our knowledge base and to address the gaps and emerging issues. Chab Dai is made up of organisations who are autonomous in their own right. Organisations vary very much in their size, in their geographical location and also in their programming. So some of them are involved in prevention, some in intervention and some in aftercare. Within Chab Dai we also see ourselves as bridge builders. We see ourselves as building the bridge often between the Christian organisations and UN, government and other large agencies who are working to address this issue. Within Chab Dai we meet with all of our members 2 times every year. At those meetings we address emerging issues, new global standards of care, have workshops and training on issues that are relevant to our partners. We also hold regular trainings for national staff of our members. We bring them together, we give training on practical issues for counselling, for social work, but we also look at organisational capacity. We also have a library and resource centre here in Chab Dai. Member organisations can come, they can look at up-to-date resource, up-to-date toolkits and research on emerging issues of sexual abuse and trafficking. Our desire is ultimately to see survivors of sexual abuse and trafficking being brought to restoration and healing so that they can be all that God created them to be.